Did you know that over 1 billion people worldwide suffer from inadequate calcium intake? Not eating sufficient calcium can lead to a range of health issues. No need to worry though. In the next 5 minutes, we'll explore the top 10 highest calcium-rich vegan foods that can help you meet your daily calcium needs and ensure you're on the right track towards optimal health. So, if you're ready to discover the incredible vegan sources of calcium and boost your nutrient intake, you've come to the right place. Maintaining an adequate calcium intake is crucial for overall health, particularly for those following a vegan diet. While dairy products are traditionally associated with calcium, there are numerous plant-based foods that offer high levels of this essential mineral. Let's dive in and discover the first calcium-rich vegan food on our list. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are small but mighty when it comes to calcium content. Just 100 grams of sesame seeds provide an impressive 975 milligrams of calcium. Sprinkle them over salads, stir-fries, or incorporate them into homemade energy bars for a delightful calcium boost. Number 2. Tofu. Tofu, derived from soybeans, is a versatile and nutritious food that is also rich in calcium, with approximately 350 to 450 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Tofu offers a significant contribution to your daily calcium needs. Add it to stir-fries, salads, or blend it into smoothies for a protein-packed calcium boost. Our third best source, chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny nutritional powerhouses that not only provide essential nutrients but also pack a punch in terms of calcium. With approximately 631 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, chia seeds offer an excellent plant-based source of this mineral. Sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or use them as an egg substitute in baking for a calcium-rich addition to your diet. Almonds are fourth on our list. Almonds are not only a delicious snack, but also a great source of calcium for vegans. With approximately 250 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, munching on a handful of almonds can contribute to your daily calcium requirements. Enjoy them on their own, use them in homemade granola, or incorporate them into a variety of recipes for a nutrient-packed crunch. Number 5. Dark leafy greens. Dark leafy greens, including kale, spinach, collard greens, and broccoli, are powerhouses of calcium. While the exact calcium content varies, these greens typically provide around 100 to 150 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Incorporating these nutrient-rich greens into your meals, such as salads, stir-fries, or steamed as a side dish, can significantly boost your calcium intake. Number 6. Fortified plant-based milks. Fortified plant-based milks, such as almond milk, soy milk, and oat milk, have become increasingly popular as dairy alternatives. Many brands fortify their plant-based milks with calcium, offering approximately 120 to 150 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Use them in smoothies, cereals, or enjoy a refreshing glass as a calcium-rich beverage. Fortified breakfast cereals. Start your day with a calcium boost by choosing fortified breakfast cereals. Many brands enrich their cereals with calcium, providing approximately 100 to 1,000 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Pair them with fortified plant-based milk or yogurt for a nourishing and calcium-packed breakfast option. At number 8 we have seaweed. Seaweed, including nori, wakame, and kelp, not only adds a unique flavor to dishes, but also offers a notable amount of calcium. These nutrient-dense ocean gems provide around 100 to 150 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Incorporate seaweed into sushi rolls, salads, or soups for a savory and calcium-rich addition to your meals. Number 9. Amaranth. Amaranth is a lesser-known grain that is gaining popularity for its impressive nutritional profile. In addition to being a great source of protein and fiber, amaranth also offers a decent amount of calcium. Approximately 159 milligrams of calcium can be found in 100 grams of amaranth. Incorporate amaranth into your diet by using it as a base for salads, adding it to soups, or enjoying it as a side dish instead of rice or pasta. And lastly, but not least, dried figs. Dried figs not only provide a natural sweetness but also contain a notable amount of calcium. With approximately 162 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, dried figs make for a delicious and calcium-rich snack. Enjoy them on their own. Add them to trail mixes for a burst of flavor, or incorporate them into your baking recipes for a delightful and nutritious treat. Discovering these top 10 calcium-rich vegan foods is a significant step towards meeting your daily calcium needs. However, it's important to understand that your body only absorbs a fraction of the total calcium present in these foods. To maximize the benefits of your vegan diet and ensure you reach the recommended daily intake of this essential mineral, we have something special for you. Check out this next video, where we'll reveal 8 valuable hacks that can instantly improve nutrient absorption from your plant-based meals. Don't miss out on these simple yet effective strategies tailored specifically for vegans. Click the video on your screen now.